Over the horizon.
Hey, everybody, it's me again, as usual. Almost 20 after 4 in the morning. I'm just waiting to eat my breakfast. I'm busy doing laundry. Of course, my son's recording me with a bright light. He gave a thumbs up there, I see, so thumbs up to all you. He's got a GoFundMe page going. He wants to get $5,000. He's not a selfish boy at all. He's not financially struggling right now. And he's trying to find a way to earn his own money, to get his own equipment, so he can be a YouTuber and go outside of YouTube. He has learned so much from so many of you that I hope and I pray that you guys see and you guys donate to his cause, because it's a very good cause. He's learned from you guys. He's learned to work hard and do the best that he wants to. And thank you. And so that's all I have to say for right now, because I'm doing laundry and I have the things I want to clean. I do not want you to see my messy bedroom. And yeah, this light he has on is gonna cause me to have spots in front of my eyes. So, and plus I want to listen to some music real quick. And he's putting a magnifying glass up, so.
Darn it, I thought I'd burn some ants with that thing.
If it was glass, you could. It's plastic, bud. So,
Let him up.
I love you too, Devin. This is my boy.
Fade out, come on, let's go. Gosh, you're a horrible actor. I don't even know how
I know,
pay
I
you.
ain't bad at this.
I said say bye to everybody.
Ow. He said that I'm supposed to say bye, everybody, and peace out.